Here is Anya, and here is Maia. And Maia's a little nervous about this, but I've got them both on my lap, ready to do what I need to keep Maia safe. But so far, she seems all right. See, I'm not really holding her down. And she enjoys the music. You like the music, don't you, Maia? You like the music? Like the music? Maia is a quail. She's a very docile female quail, as you can see. And here's Anya, a very docile and sweet Russian blue cat who is terrified of birds. So this is a learning experience for both of them.